chin chin. You should definitely make this one because your chin chin is very good.
Thank you. So I have regular flour, and the cup that I have is half a cup. So I'm measuring 6 of those to make 3 cups. Put it in the sieve and take out the things that are not supposed to be in the chin chin. I have nutmeg. I have butter. I have whole milk and sugar. I'm measuring half a cup of sugar. Put it together in the flour and mix it thoroughly. I'm adding the nutmeg. I'm just putting something, you know. I'm not actually measuring, but in my head I'm thinking I'm putting half a cup, a half a spoon. I put the butter in it. That's a big amount of butter. I just use a big spoon to measure it. 1 spoon. And I'm mixing thoroughly to make sure everything is mixed together. Then my whole milk. I'm putting 3. That's 1 cup and a half. I mix it together. And after mixing this, I'm all set. And this is what it turned out to be. It's well formed and ready to roll. So I have my flat surface. I put the formed mixed flour in it. That's a dough. I call it a dough. Yeah, like a dough. I put the dough on top of it. I roll it and make sure it's flat. I like my chin chin to be thick. So I just make sure it's not so flat because I want to feel yeah. So I have flour at the bottom. I have flour at the top to make sure it's not sticky to the surfaces. And the rolling pin too. So I tried earlier without the flour at the bottom and at the top. It was sticky, so I had to do it again. So now I have flour and it's all set. It's not like sticky to nothing. Now I'm ready to cut. I have a small knife. I use my small knife to cut it because it's easier from this angle. Wow. Then I have a bigger knife. Mommy, I'm going to be using the bigger knife to cut the middle of it. It's not showing in the video, so I don't think it's showing in the video. I try to take it out little by little like this because it get a little sticky together. I try to pick it up. I try to pick it up and make sure that I separate everything. I'm actually taking my time. Nothing is rushing me. I don't have anything to do. I don't have anywhere to go. It's quarantine time. And you know, it's my birthday, so yay. So after cutting everything, I have it in a big bowl, and I have my pan on the hot surface, and I put one in the frying pan with oil. Make sure the oil is ready to accommodate the chin chin that I already cut. And once I see that the one that I put in the thing is frying, then I can start frying my chin chin. I know it's ready to go. I don't put too many in the frying pan because I don't want it to be sticky together. I want everything to fry equally. So I do it one after the other. I think I did 3 sets. So my chin chin is done. It's all brown. This is the color that I like. I like the brown color. I put it on I try to put paper towel in my tray because I want the paper towel to soak out the oil from the chin chin. We're all trying to lose weight here, huh? At this time, my kids are already running around the house and begging me for it.
Mommy, is Michael Jordan still alive? Oh, Mommy.
Yes. Welcome, Mama. And thanks for tasting.
Wait, what state is he? What city is he? Is he in?
We're all set. I got my chin chin ready and set. All nice and fresh and yummy. Yeah, we all loved it. My kids were happy. I'm happy too. I've been snacking this all day. Happy birthday to me. Thanks to everybody for watching. Remember to like, subscribe, and share with your friends and family. Bye-bye.